Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Microsoft Word along with ChatGPT to solve math problems quickly and clearly. Whether you are a student or just want a smarter way to do math, you're in the right place. Let's start with a simple example. Say we want to integrate this function. I'll guide you step by step on how to type it in Word and then use ChatGPT to solve and explain it. The first step is to type your equation using built-in math editor of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word makes it easy to format even complex calculus expressions. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to solve the problem. I recommend giving it a clear prompt, something like act as a high school math teacher and explain how to find the integral of this function. In my next videos, I'll show you how to phrase an efficient prompt. Here are the steps. Open a new Word document, go to Insert tab, and select Equation. From the drop-down menu, highlight Insert New Equation. Since you want to integrate, select Integral symbol from the menu. Also, since your function is a ratio, highlight the box next to the integral sign and select Ratio from the ribbon. Type in your equation next to the integral sign. Now visit the ChatGPT website at chatgpt.com. If you are a new user, use your email to sign up and establish a free account. Once you log in, you'll see a prompt box where you can type or paste any question you have. Here's how it all comes together. Type the prompt we generated earlier and paste the function from the word next to it. Press enter. ChatGPT gives you a clear step-by-step explanation and will highlight the final answer with applicable remarks. For more helpful examples in math, science, and tech application, check out this book, which is available as paperback on Amazon. I hope this video helps you get the most out of both Microsoft Word and ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.